Hello, this is Jammal Adio Anibaba. Today is October 24th, 2023. I'm going to reach into Abibu Oluwa's archives and I'm going to grab another song out of it. This one is called Sakariyahu Mọgaji or Sakariyahu Mọgaji. So an individual with the first name Sakariyahu, Yoruba will shorten it to Saka. So his first name is Sakariyahu and the last name is Mọgaji. Sakariyahu. And you go like this. Bàbá rìgì mọ̀, àfi bàbá rìgì mọ̀. Sakariyahu, ọmọ Abudulayi, ọmọ Àṣìyàtà. Tìfẹ́fẹ́rìtì, tìrẹ́dà, fẹ́fẹ́rìtì, rẹ́dà, bí bàbá rìgì mọ̀. Àbí bàbá rìgì mọ̀ ló lè ṣe. Sakariyahu, ọmọ Abudulayi, ọmọ Àṣìyàtà. Ìyọnu ni àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bùnmi kànga, ìyọnu ni àfi bàbá rìgì mọ̀. Rábànà àgàfírí lànà lómi omi. Ọmọ Mọgaji ìṣe wọn ni, kọ́ńdú ìṣe wọn ni, kàkà ọmọ Mọgaji ìran ọmọ Mọgaji ìṣe wọn ni. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ, ọmọ Amọ́dù. Yomi ọmọ lẹ́nu kálíkà, ìgbó là ó fi ṣán, àdá lẹ́nu tálíkà. Dúníyàn dúníyé o, dúníyà ìrà, gàgàgà, dàngùgàgà, 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 níyàn. Ó dìgbà náà ná ká tó fọmọ bàfọ́ṣùn. Ó dìgbà náà ná ọmọ Mọgaji láyé. Sakariyahu, ọmọ Abudulayi, ọmọ Àṣìyàtà. Agùgàgà, dàngùgàgà, dàngùgàgà. Fẹ́fẹ́rìtì, tìrẹ́dà. You guys remember when I told you guys that to be able to decode Yoruba talking drum, you have to be conversant or willing to learn the Yoruba literary corpus. You have to familiarize yourself with the Yoruba proverbs. You have to know the lingo of the era that the music was recorded. And above all, you have to understand the context of the circumstances that the music or the lyrics is expressing. the drum of this one, feferiti, tireda. And someone, the haters, the envious person, and say, oh, look at Jammal's car. It's not even brand new. Oh, look at Suzu's attire. It's not even the latest. So, tireda, where's yours? Where is yours? Haters always hate, but they never really have measure up. But they can hate, they can whisper. You know, whisperers always whisper because they are not entirely fulfilled. They are always envious. Feferiti, tireda. Àfi bàbá rìgímọ̀. What's bàbá rìgímọ̀? On Lagos Island, bàbá rìgímọ̀ is a fixer. Someone that can fix stuff. Àfi bàbá rìgímọ̀. And that takes us back to the race-cross horse racing. So when they have horse racing, they are fixers. It's global. It's in every society. There's always fixers that can fix stuff. You think it's, oh, you can get by them, or they'll fix things. And then also if you need assistance, they are the one to go to. Feferiti, tireda. Àfi bàbá rìgímọ̀. So the full sentence, àfi bàbá rìgímọ̀ ló lè ṣe. But that one just say, but in the drum, you just say, àfi bàbá rìgímọ̀. You didn't say, àfi bàbá rìgímọ̀ ló ṣe, but the Lagos lingo of the old, and àfi bàbá rìgímọ̀ ló lè ṣe. It's only the fixer, the great fixer that can fix it. When ìṣe wọn ni ìran Mọgaji kọ́ńdú ìṣe wọn ni ìran ọmọ Mọgaji ìṣe wọn ni. You will see it later on in later Sakaras. They will recycle that drum beat. Kọ́ńdú ìṣe wọn ni ìran ọmọ Mọgaji ìṣe wọn ni. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ. The hunter is stalking the leopard, and the leopard is stalking the hunter. Invariably, one of them, if they keep going at it, invariably one of them is going to lose. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ. Ìṣe wọn ni kọ́ńdú. Ká tó fọmọ bàfọ́sùn. Àti dúró bùnmi kànga ìyọnu ni. Àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bùnmi kànga ìyọnu ni. Àti lẹ̀gúngi ọ̀pọ̀tọ́ ojú ejò ni yóò ṣe. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ. Àfi bàbá rìgímọ̀ ló lè ṣe. òun kò sọ pé àfi bàbá rìí mọ̀. But if you want to add ló lè ṣe sí then you say bàbá rìí mọ̀ ló lè ṣe. Guys, don't forget your do re me's. Do. I just put my hands on it. Re. And then I indent it. Mi, do. As long as you don't let it intimidate you, you can roll with whatever you want. Do, re, mi, do. Do, re, mi, do, mi, do. You can pretty much roll with it. Especially for those of you back home, get one of these. They're cheap. It's therapeutic for you. Get it. Even if you spend 5-10 minutes a day before going to bed. You don't need to beat it loud. Just smooth. Try to play whatever you know, whatever you like, nosy rhymes, whatever you like. In the 4th settlement on Lagos Island, which is in Okofaji. You guys remain blessed. Leave comments. I'll check it out. Bye.